Welcome to a video from thedigital-lifestyle.com. This video, a very quick look at build 10,049 of Windows 10, Windows Insider. So this is on the fast ring, released overnight, so I got this installed today on my machine. Now the main changes with this one are the Spartan browser, which has been the all new browser for Windows 10 that replaces Internet Explorer. Internet Explorer will still be there as a legacy browser, but this is the new browser. So we'll have a quick look at that. There was a couple of other things I found as well. So as well as the browser, there are a few other things. There's a new battery status indicator that pops up there, showing you the battery information. The previous build introduced the Wi-Fi, the sort of mini browser for the Wi-Fi. So things are starting to get there now with Windows 10 as it replaces some of the old control panel type stuff and brings in the sort of more modern UI to it. So I'll look at Spartan browser. So this is the Spartan browser. It's an all new rendering engine. Really, you don't see too much change. It is nice and fast and smooth. I didn't like using Internet Explorer in tablet mode before. I like the old Windows 8 one with the taskbar at the bottom, but the desktop one didn't work so well. This has the taskbar up here at the top, which I'm not as keen on. I prefer the bottom really, but anyway, there it is. So you get the browser there. I think the changes really are this. There's a few things like a readable mode, so let's check that out. So we click the reader button there, and actually it looks better like this, and then you've got a nice easy way to read it, so you don't get any of the sidebars or anything like that. It's a much narrower focused view of the text, and that works really nice actually. So that'll be a nice way to read stuff, especially on a small tablet. So new in this, we've got this option of making notes and comments, inking on the web page, and then which you can save later. So you click the button up there, and you get the toolbar where you can draw on it. Let's draw on there, and you can highlight things as well, and then you can then save those to your reading list for viewing later. The other option you've got, you can share those, and I can share it with OneNote or Facebook or a mail account or something like that. Back is the sharing option that was gone in Internet Explorer and Windows 10, but that's now there. So you've got the sharing option, so you can share a page to your OneNote, you can share it to your reading list for reading later, you can email it, Facebook, whatever you want to do, Twitter, anything, you can share that, which is something I use quite often actually. And even when it's just browsing through sites and wanting to collate them together to read later, I share them to my a book in OneNote, and then I can pick those up later. So a couple of other options you've got you can show a favourites bar, which is a toggle on and off, and you've got default reading view, so you can have a dark view if you wanted, and you can change the reading view font size and your start page. One thing I noticed as well is this, for a flash player you can have it toggled on or off, so if you like it or you need it you can switch it on. If you don't like it, don't want the resources using up, you can switch it off as well. So those are the main changes I've noticed. Mainly the Spartan browser is the main change, and this release, you'll find this if you go to if you're on the Windows Insider program, if you go to blogs.windows.com, they've got all the details on there, and of course on thedigital-lifestyle.com. So thanks so much for this video, and look out for the next video with the next build.